Hi, I'm Chris from CSW, the UK distributor for Edge Tactical. Now, as you can see, I've got a pair of the Edge Tactical Fastlinks on here. I've also got another pair down the end of our range. So I'm going to see how these stand up against my 12-bore Mossberg. But importantly, I've got a control subject, which is the Canon MF730 printer. We'll shoot them both and see how they go. So, I'm going to start off with the control subject, our printer. Now, I'm probably about 15 yards away here. Let's see how it holds up. Not too bad. And let's have a look now and see how the Edge Tactical Fastlinks hold up. So, here I've got the Fastlinks. As you see, I've only got one small little indentation here. So, I'm amazed. These have actually held up really well. This is better than I expected. Let's have a look at the printer now. Unfortunately, I don't think it will print again. Lost some of the glass. Yeah. I think we can pretty safely say the Fastlink tougher than the printer. So I was just so impressed with how well these have held up. I've just got to shoot them again. So I've come a little bit closer. I'm going to stick them on the stump. Let's see what happens. So there we have it. A few more dents, maybe. Other than that, can't really complain about that. So there you go, guys. That's the Edge Tactical Fastlinks. These are the entry level to the brand. Aside from being EN166 rated, they're also anti-fog. So, thanks, guys. See you again soon. Bye.